Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to leave a room in Element Messenger step by step. Leaving a room removes you from that conversation, so you'll stop receiving new messages and notifications from that room unless you join it again later. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. From the home screen, locate the room you want to leave in your list of conversations and open it. Next, click or tap the room name at the top of the screen to open the room information or room settings menu. Depending on your version of Element, you may need to tap the More menu or the three-dot icon to view additional options. Now scroll through the room settings until you find the Leave Room option. Click or tap it, then confirm your choice when Element asks if you're sure you want to leave. Once confirmed, you'll immediately exit the room and it will no longer appear in your active conversations. If the room is public, you can usually rejoin it later by searching for its name or room address. If it's a private room, you'll normally need a new invitation from a room administrator before you can join again. Finally, check your conversation list to make sure the room has been removed. If you accidentally left the wrong room, rejoin it as soon as possible if you still have access. And that's it. You now know how to leave a room in Element Messenger and manage your conversations more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.